Hello everyone, welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google Analytics for conversion optimization. I am thrilled to have you all here as we explore how Google Analytics can empower our website's performance and drive more conversions. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand the key concepts we'll be discussing today. What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a powerful web analytic tool provided by Google. It allows users to track and analyze various aspects of website such as behavior, traffic sources, and conversion rates. By leveraging the insights provided by Google Analytics, users can make data-driven decisions to optimize users' website and boost conversions. Now, what is conversion optimization? Conversion optimization is the art and science of improving your website or marketing campaigns to maximize the number of visitors who take a desired action, such as making a purchase, filling out a form, or subscribing to a newsletter. The goal is to create a seamless user experience and remove any barriers that may hinder conversions. Now let's get started with the practical steps of using Google Analytics for conversion optimization. The first step is to set up Google Analytics for your website. Example, imagine you run an online store called Fashionable Finds. To set up Google Analytics, go to analytics.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and create a new account specifically for your website. Or for you to learn more details on how to create Google Analytics account, you can watch our previous video in our channel. Once your Google Analytics account is set up, the next crucial step is defining your conversion goals. These goals represent the key actions you want your website visitors to take. In the case of Fashionable Finds, a conversion goal could be completing a purchase. By tracking this goal, we can measure the effectiveness of our website in driving sales. The next step is analyzing user behavior. With Google Analytics, you can access the valuable data on user behavior. This data helps you understand how visitors interact with your website, where they drop off, and where they convert. For example, let's say we notice a high bounce rate on a particular product page in Fashionable Finds. By analyzing the data, you may discover that the product descriptions on that page are unclear or the images are not captivating enough. Armed with this information, we can optimize the page to keep visitors engaged and increase conversions. Step 4 is to conduct A/B testing. A/B testing is a powerful technique that allows you to compare two versions of a web page or marketing element to identify which performs better in terms of conversions. In the text of Fashionable Finds, you might want to test two different variations of your homepage. Version A could have a large hero image, while version B could feature a prominent call to action button. By using Google Optimize, an integrated tool within Google Analytics, you can set up experiments to measure the performance of each version. Step 5 is to use conversion funnels. Conversion funnels provide valuable insights in the steps visitors take before converting. By analyzing these funnels, you can identify where visitors drop off and optimize those stages to enhance the conversion journey. Let's say Fashionable Finds has a checkout process consisting of multiple steps. By setting up a conversation funnel in Google Analytics, you can identify at which step visitors abandon their carts. This information allows us to address any issues, simplify the process, and improve the conversion rates. For step 6, we have to utilize audience segmentation or customer segmentation. Audience segmentation involves dividing your website visitors into specific groups based on their characteristics, behavior, or other relevant factors. This segmentation enables you to tailor your marketing efforts to different audience segments, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Fashionable Finds can segment its audience based on gender, age group, or shopping preferences. By understanding the specific needs and preferences of each segment, the store can personalize its marketing campaigns and website content to resonate with different groups and drive higher conversions. And the last step is to monitor and iterate. Last but not the least, conversion optimization is an ongoing process. It's essential to continuously monitor your website's performance, analyze data, and iterate your strategies based on the insight gained from Google Analytics. Fashionable Finds can regularly review its conversion rates, bounce rates, and other relevant metrics in Google Analytics. By monitoring the data, they can identify trends, implement necessary changes, and continue to optimize their website for better. Just remember, conversion optimization is a continuous learning process, and Google Analytics provides a wealth of data and tools to help us along the way. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you find this tutorial informative and empowering. If you like this kind of video and want to be updated for more, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.